vlog, Triple Sam's vlog.
Second time to meet today.
Second time today, like I'm tired, I'm exhausted, but you know what, it's December, so we have to be outside.
Sato kama kawa ni masho mchinje.
Wallahi.
Unajua.
Nice one. Nice one. Thank you. All right. First order of business kama unaona vazi. Wacha tukimbie State House tusikie Bwana Ruto anasema nini. You might think this is a joke, but it's not. I'm heading to the State House.
Nasitoke nyumbani mwacha mila mtumwa. No place I'd rather go. Ooh, no place I'd rather go. I live and die in Africa. Yeah, I live and die in Africa. Ooh yeah, I live and die in Africa. Yeah, I live and die in Africa.
Acha tuchukue ID ni juu. Unaenda aje wewe?
Mimi najua sasa nikiingia hivi nitaingia online. Alafu niko na kazi saa 9 airport. Ninatoka Kisumu.
Saa 9.
Unaona nilikuwa nauliza asikae hata nilimwambia.
Haya. All right. Went to State House, came back. Changed. I just changed the jacket and the shoes. You can't see the shoes? Okay, there you go. And now we're heading to Solfest. Let's go. Shooting here and then I'll come follow you.
Okay, I'm gonna put my stuff down and I'm gonna walk around and still get more free things.
Okay, if you're gonna walk around with it.
With that? Okay, hold on.
Oh, we're here. Solfest, and I'm with Marianne. I want to leave the camera with her and just go shoot my reels. Then we'll see what's up. And there goes. Okay. The camera is yours.
Thanks,
Enjoy.
baby. So, how do I change the orientation?
Here.
Oh, I just press the screen?
Yeah, press.
Oh my god, this is fun!
Enjoy yourself.
Okay.
I'm coming.
All right, baby. And it's just recording right now.
Yeah.
How can I stop? Just do that.
Yeah, you stop here.
Okay.
Start there.
Okay, I'll just walk through the crowd. Yeah?
Not even with the crowd, just start from
Over here.
walk, plant the stage.
Got you. Yo, I'm here with Sam, the man.
Yeah.
We're
we
here.
took nice photos.
Oh, we did.
Hope I'll put them.
Well, I think you will, actually. Now, I'm going to tell you something. The Lancome stand won me over.
Sorry?
The photos that they're taking at the Lancome stand.
Is that Amanda?
Is this Amanda?
No. Over there.
Oh,
That's outfit. Who is that?
I don't know. Oh,
Go show them. Who that?
come on, let's go. Okay. So, as Sam was saying, we're here at Solfest 2025, VIP night. I'm very happy to be here. Look at this beautiful person. Look at you. You look amazing, both of you. Whoa. Hello. Dang. Asante. Okay. So now we're in the stands. So many free drinks and nice things happening. Really lovely people. I've met loads of friends so far. And here we're at the Schweppes stand. Check out all these people, having free drinks and food. And in fact, I ain't getting any food yet, so let's go get some food, yeah? We're gonna have a little din-din. Let's go see what we got going on here. Oh my goodness. Wow, what a spread. Hi. I'm just filming a little bit. Whoa, my goodness. Wow. Let's get into it, Let's get into it. Okay, sorry, I had to have a little bite to eat. Sorry, Sam. So, I didn't realize there was barbecue everywhere. And I'm just eating cheese. So, let me go rectify this evening and give me some nyama choma or whatever we got going on here. Check this out. Are you seeing it? The gimbal won't let me. You can't see its head. There you go. A whole giraffe. Okay, so we're getting into the food. Let's do it. Look at this crowd of beautiful people. Hey. Going. Well. Alright, look. I already see dessert, but let's just stick with some nyama choma maybe, huh? Let's check it out. We got the greens. What do we got going on here? There's eggs. What do we have? Vegetable lasagna. Okay, very nice. That's good. Cool. We got some veggie options. That's nice. And then we got the grills. So I'm gonna have to put you down again and give me some food. Sorry, Sam. I know you're disappointed in this, but that's the way it is. Priorities, my brother.
Tumekujia wasanii. So this is the parking area. Naona hila hapa. Ukiona hila hapa. Guys are almost. Oh, I see fans. Wanaenda ile side. Hila. Poa. Okay. Hakuna chopa imekataa kulanda. These are types of the cars that we got around. Ilani manager Sava. Yeah. Is here. Let's get ready to receive.
Tumewasili Solfest, tumewasili.
Hey! Ay, kasa.
Nyawanga. Hello, my side. This operation.
Niaje?
Okay, that's how you if I want. Okay, I don't know if I want.
I'm good, how are you?
I'm okay, You're okay?
When it's fun. Let's go.
Check it up, Karen.
Iza. Ibondo, man.
Guys, come tell me that day. Get out of your way.
Don't.
The celebs. You gotta not be with the celebs.
So good to see you. You look like a doll.
You look ethereal is the word. Hello.
What's up, girl?
How are you? Good. You look so good. Thank you so much.
Good to see you. Wow.
We're gonna hear you.
It's like you know, it's like a flower.
Oh gosh. Thank you. You gotta
Stunning. All the best.
Njerai, unipe kitu hapa? Wewe. Thank you. Nani Butak. Happy birthday.
Oh, pamoja na.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Niambie bro. Niko tunang'ang'ana town. You already know. Let's see what happens. Sini kuinua isiguare.
Kama hii tu yangu, lakini na vile ameipanua huku tu hata yeye haigimbii.
Clear the way, clear the way. Move out the way.
Shout out to your Kenyan fans, please.
God bless Kenya.
Yeah. What does Kenyan fan love mean? Anaongea kidogo but nani amkani. Wapi? Gapi yako? Hajatoka. Na wauliza aje mmekuja tu.
London.
Alexis. Alexis, we got the bathroom right here.
Back on time. Let's keep on doing this. One day itawai jipa. One day. One day. Let's keep hustling. Kata kona by all angles. I think nani Mr. Rennie is performing.
Thank you so much. Mrembo wangu tufanye harusi.
Ai! Ai! Hata ukai vizuri. Haujawahi. Hata ukai vizuri. Haukai vizuri. Wewe uteka manyata modai. Wanafanya ngapi? Wewe sasa negotiate kivi yako. Anza haya. Twende. Wacha niweke back. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Mauro. Deli na sakapa ke.
Nice one. Aya, ready? Ready? Go ready? All right, 3, 2, 1, go. Twende.
Damn wicked.
Nice one. Santenia. Oh yeah. All right. itakuwaje?
Show imeanza kama kawa. Mambo sambamba.
Haya.
Na fan wangu hapa kwanza nasikia bie. Fan number 1.
Number 1. Waambie about Sato itakuwaje?
Sato kama kawa ni mashup chinje.
Wallahi.
Ndio unajua.
Nice one.
Tunaua.
Nice one. Thank you, man.
Man.
All right. Unakaa fiti mzee.
Makeup and lighting, perfect.
This guy is doing 8 hours of this performance. 8. His name is Manasseh. Hey bro.
Thank you, man. That's good.
Me, Eshima, I respect that. Yo, 4 hours, like back to back, 4 hours.
It's possible. It's possible.
Best BGV in town. Mutu asikuambie, no doubt. Hey, bro. That guy anapiga 4 clean hours. 4 clean fucking hours. Kevo. Wake up, ba.
Everybody do the shoulder back. Brand new standing on the shoulder back. Shoulder back. Everybody stepping on the dance and do the shoulder back. Everybody do the shoulder back. Brand new standing on the shoulder back. Shoulder back. Shoulder back. Everybody do the shoulder back. Stepping on the dance and do the shoulder back. And you standing on the shoulder back. Shoulder back. Shoulder back. Everybody do the shoulder back. I love you, sexy lady.
Nice one.
What's up? Sam's vlog. Sam's vlog.
Second time to meet today.
Second time today, like I'm tired. I'm exhausted. But you know what? It's December, so we have to be outside for everything. I love South. Hi. I love Bien. I love Savara. I love Shimano. I love Polycap. So guess what? We are outside.
Yay!
Honestly, the 5th anniversary of Solfest, best ever. I came for the VIP show because I cannot
You're just a
stand.
VIP.
Yeah, but also I can't stand being like punched and kicked and what and all that. But like this is the best ever. I'm so happy.
Hata sauti imepotea. Wewe.
Alafu tufungue
Sakafu ina bamba ina wingu tisa. Wewe. Siku hizi unasema wingu ya 97 point?
96.3.
Oh, 96.3. Yeah. Bye. Ah.
Sam, please run and get the police.
Yeah. You have to get body. Sijui anafanya. Maybe he went to the washroom. Sauti Sol on it. It's exactly what time? 1:20. Oh my god, time is flying.
Exactly. Exactly. You ready for something? Send it. Copy. Copy.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, man.
Cheers.
Oh my God. Please get home safe.
Of course.
All right.
For being the most amazing fans in the world. Because for the last 5 years, this album has been #1 in Kenya. Because of you guys.
For the last 5 years, every fucking year.
And we're just here tonight to serve you, to give you good vibes. I hope you enjoy the concert. And there's so much more to come. Thank you.
She don't wanna talk about it, no. And I'm so insecure, one day she leave me.
Kibeti uko nayo?
Make her happy all the night. To think you about me, singing was easy. When you stop around, not koala. When you make it, I see angels, and I hope you see the same. I'm insecure. You're insecure. I hope you're so insecure. I'm insecure. I'm so insecure. Usomanga message ukiniachia nao. So insecure.
Me wonder Simon at the show, and if you see the makeup on, but let's not talk about it. Cinema cheesy, what you kuzana, the police, and your body is a movie, and I hope you feel the same. So insecure.
Okay.
Rewind!
I'm insecure. You're insecure. Baby, I'm so insecure. I want you louder. Baby, I'm so insecure. Baby, I'm so insecure.
Why are you still so insecure?
But I'm not.
When Niko maji, niko maji, niko maji, niko maji, mama yangu. Niko maji, niko maji, niko maji, niko maji.
Listen to the stories of a God.
Sounds so nice.
I hope I get the courage to say sorry to my mother. Hope that
Y'all look beautiful.